This tutorial review will show you how to schedule Instagram post in mobile. To schedule post or reel on your Instagram, you have to convert your personal account to a professional account. To do that, open your profile, tap on this hamburger menu at the top right, tap on settings and privacy, and scroll down and tap on, and here tap on account type and tools. Tap on switch to professional account. Continue. Select a category and tap on done. Select here a category and tap on next. Cross this window by pressing on this cross icon at the top right. And now tap on this plus icon at the bottom and select your photo. Tap on next. Next. And here tap on advanced settings, and then you will get this schedule this post option here. So toggle this switch on to enable and select the date and time to schedule your post. Tap on set time, tap on back, and now tap on schedule. And this is how we can schedule Instagram post in mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.